Hello everyone, I'm going to explain here one of our product, thermal energy storage. This system is based on latent heat of storage. Okay, the latent heat storage is done by PCM material. PCM is phase changing material. You can use different PCM available in the market, but we are using fatty acid and paraffin wax. This fatty acid and paraffin wax is organic PCM. Okay. Now, in this system, we have divided our system into three parts. First one is your measurement unit. Second one is your main tank, okay, along with auxiliary tank, and third one is your PCM cylinder. Okay. Now coming to the second part, your main tank. This is also called as hot water tank. In this tank, what we have done, we have made 150 liter stainless steel. Okay. And above that steel we have used polyurethane foam. The thickness of PUF is 50 mm, and above this PUF we have used 1 ms mild steel covering. Okay. In this tank we have used two heater. Okay, you can see it, right heater and left heater. This heater, the right heater and this heater is 3 kW each. So total rating is your 6 kW. This heater is used to heat the water. Okay. So that water will give its energy to the PCM phase changing material. Okay. Now we have used one alarming signal to beep when the tank is full. Okay. It also used to show the level of the water, just like 25 degree, 50 degree, 75 degree or full. Okay. Now along with this tank we have also provided two rectangular shaped tank. The rating of the capacity of this tank is 120 liter. Okay, the material of which it is made up of is FRP, means fiber reinforced plastics. Okay, one tank is called cold water tank, another is called used STF tank. Okay, now coming to the second part, that is PCM cylinders. We have used three PCM cylinders. One is your fatty acid, the second one is your paraffin wax, and third one is your cascading of fatty acid and cascading of paraffin wax and fatty acids. Okay, in this the structure of this tank is similar. Okay, what we have done in this tank, we have used one stainless steel. In that stainless steel we have used spiral shaped copper tube, means we have used spiral shaped heat exchanger, and this heat exchanger is made up of copper. Okay, in that stainless steel we fill the fatty acid paraffin wax or both. Okay, in case of cascading. Okay, and the amount is nearly about 2.5 kg. Okay, above that stainless steel we have used PUF, polyurethane foam. Okay, and above that we have used mild steel covering, same as your hot water tank. Okay, now you can see it. Okay, this is the tank. This is your main steel tank, and in below that PUF is there, and below that and under the PUF we have used SS, and inside the SS we have used one kind of spiral shaped heat exchanger which is made up of copper tube, and inside the stainless steel we fill this fatty acid and paraffin wax. Okay. Now coming to the measurement unit, we have used 16 temperature meters and 16 temperature meter and 16 sensors. Okay, for each tank we have used, for each PCM cylinder we have used 4 temperature meter. One is at the inlet, second one is at the front in, and the third one is at the rear in, and fourth one is at outlet. So for each tank we have used 4 temperature meter and 4 sensor meter. So total will be 12, and 13th one is used to measure the hot water tank. 14th number temperature meter is used to measure your PCM cylinder surface, and 15th one is used to measure the ambient, and 16th temperature sensor is used to measure your used STF tank temperatures. Okay, so 16 temperature is there for each PCM cylinder, and remaining 4 is used to measure the different temperature, like hot water tank temperature, your PCM cylinder temperature, okay, ambient temperature, and used STF temperatures. Okay, this is all about our system. Okay, now coming to the operations. First of all, what will we do? We will fill this cold water tank. Okay, this cold water tank is filled by two ways. You can fill it from here also, and you can remove the remove this covering, and you can fill it from here also. Okay. Once it is filled, you can, by using this pump, you can move this water to this tank. Okay. Once this alarming signal will show the beep sound, you have to stop the pump by pressing here. Okay. Once this tank is filled, you have to switch on the heaters. You can switch on the heaters by using this measurement on the control unit, left heater and right heaters. Okay. Once they are and you have to note this temperature, STF temperature. You can measure it from your control unit. Once this temperature will become more than 90 degree, okay, you have to stop the heaters. Okay, and then you can operate any tank if you want. Suppose if you want to use paraffin wax, then you open the different valve and you have to follow the procedure. Okay. What we are doing? Suppose we are using the fatty acid, then we have to heat the water to its melting point. The melting point of fatty acid is nearly around 65 degree. Once the temperature of fatty acid increases to 65 degree, you have to stop the flow. Okay, and this period is called charging period. Okay, you have to stop the flow, and now what we have to do? We have to store its temperature. You can store its temperature for 15 to 10 minutes. 15 to 10 minutes. Okay. Now again you have to fill the cold water from cold water tank to this tank. Okay. And you can use ice. You can use chiller. It is shown here. You can use chiller to cool down the temperature as low as possible, 5 degree, 10 degree. Now again you have to start the flow in the fatty acid, paraffin wax, and cascading of both. Okay. This period is called discharging of the fatty acid. You have to discharge it to as much temperature you want. Suppose if you want 10 degree discharging, 20 degree discharging, 30 degree discharging. Okay. So basically here we have three periods. One is your charging of the PCM cylinder. Second one is your storing of the PCM cylinder, and third one is your discharging of the PCM cylinder. Okay. In charging a PCM cylinder, what we do, you have to heat the water to 90 degree, then you have to flow the water through the PCM cylinder, and in store now you have to keep it like that only. And in discharging period, what you have to do, you have to fill the cold water in the tank, and then you have to flow the cold water in the PCM cylinder, and you have to analyze everything. Okay. And most importantly, you have to note down all the reading on this control unit. Okay. You can also measure the flow rate of this. You can also measure the flow rate by using this flow meter and sensor. Okay, thank you.